how do you delete your Instagram account. So if you want to delete your Instagram account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Instagram application, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Tap on your profile icon from the bottom right, then tap on the three lines option from the top right. Then here you'll see all this, where you have to simply go to the option called Account Center. From Account Center, you want to simply scroll and look for Personal Details and tap on it. From here you want to go to Account Ownership and Control, where you have to go to Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account from here. Select the option called Delete Account, because that is what we want to do. Then you just have to tap on the Continue button. Select the reason as to why you want to delete it. Tap on Continue. Then final step is for you to enter your password. Once you enter your password, your account will be set for deletion. Within 30 days, you can restore your Instagram account. Until then, it will remain deactivated. If you don't restore it within 30 days, then it will be permanently deleted. This way, you will be able to delete Instagram account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.